And I'm back. Alright. La 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 la. Alright, so it's Friday, day 450. Wow, the time is correct. Perfect. Where was I? Is the time capsule still broken? Let's find out. Nah, still broken. That's fine. Let's keep playing. They're all level 12. Amazing. I can't use Ghastly. Oh, come on. Thank you. I think he has a Magmar, if I'm not mistaken. Magmar. Am I correct? Magmar? Onyx, no. Wrong. Yes. Look who it is! It's V4. Hello. Alright, so Heller. I'm patiently taking down an Onyx by licking it. Come on! That was a critical hit! Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, I'm glad that's over. But that was worth it. Mean look. Maybe this guy has a Magmar? One of these guys in here has a Magmar for sure. Geodude. Everything's going great, V4. I had a very relaxing day. I did some cleaning in the house, and then I took a nap, and then I woke up and I decided to stream. Why not? How about you? What time is it over there? Is it time for school? Oh wow! No school in the morning. In the morning has been raining because of the rain. There's no school really. Is it like that? Oh, this is a tough Geodude. Hey, look, Toby! Yes, more Borkamon. I was reading, just like an hour ago, how because I don't know how it works, but because of the time capsule, apparently catching shinies is gonna be much easier now. I don't know. I really have no idea. Also, you know how I said that the Mew was not compatible with the Pokemon Bank? But I think I can move it from red to here, and maybe from here to the Pokemon Bank. I'm gonna give it a try, because it's a hacked Mew, you know? So, Pokemon Bank knows it's a hacked Mew, but maybe because I move it from one game to the other, maybe they lose track that it's hacked. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to launder it. Pokemon laundering. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm not gonna say which Pokemon I'm getting next. I never tell. I never tell. I keep my privacy. Alright, so we go down. Bam 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 bam. Not gonna bother with this guy. This guy's a fire breather. This guy has the Magmar, I think. Yeah, I think this guy's a Magmar. Magmar! Coffee! All the Pokemon look good in this game. Come on, Kafeng! I left my phone outside the room. I'm gonna have to get my phone. Nope, this guy doesn't have a Magmar either. Who has a Magmar? I'm sure somebody has a Magmar in this cave. Oh, seriously? Okay. Oh, you should do that, Toby. So you're getting Ultra Moon, yeah? Are you gonna get it on day one, on release? I'm planning on doing a either 12 or 24-hour stream on that day. We'll see. We'll see. The thing is, I can never predict. I mean, we have a release date. We have a release date for the game, but the thing is this, I cannot predict when I'm gonna get the game. I might get it a day before, or 2 days before. So I can't really plan ahead. It could be just an ordinary day and he would call me up and say, listen, I got the game already, you want it? Like, yes! Vloggy got, there we go. I'm gonna go get my phone real quick, bear with me guys. I'm gonna go get my phone. There we go. I forgot to mute the mic before I left. Come on, V4. Get this game so we can battle you and me. Come on. It'll be awesome. There was a new trailer released for Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Did you guys check it out? Toby specifically, since you're getting the game. Did you check the trailer? We're gonna be able to do surf on a Mantine, what's it called? Mantine? Something like that. So we can do surf on it. We're gonna have another battle soon, Toby. Sometime this month. It's gonna be this month. We're gonna have a battle, you and me. I'm gonna do another stream where I give away some Pokemon. And we can give away Pokemon, then we take a break and battle a few people like you, Midna. It'll be fun. Mantine. I always mess up that name. Mantine. Manatee. Because most of the Pokemon names are inspired from real things. I get confused whether it's the real name or like the Pokemon name. Like Taurus. I know Taurus is also a star sign, right? Or Taurus. I don't know. I think Taurus is a star sign. Geodude. I was tempted to catch a Geodude, huh? Geodude was on the list, but I can only catch 6 Pokemon, so... No, Toby, Geodude is rock. Okay, this guy has to have a Magmar for sure. Okay, and by the way, the rules always apply, alright? If I run into a shiny Pokemon, it's automatically in my team, alright? Shiny Pokemon take priority. So if I run into a shiny Caterpie, that's it. Pokemon. Vulpix is cute, huh? Oh no! You son of a biscuit. That's okay. Mud slap. That's my disadvantage, Toby. So you get to see all my teams because I make public my team, so I can't really use the element of surprise, really, you know? Kangaskhan, Lantern, Hypno, Skarmory, Houndoom, and Tyranitar. Wait a sec. Oh yeah, that's 6. I thought you had more than 6. Hang on, that's not very well balanced though, eh? I'm not a fan of, I think Kangaskhan is the only one I'm not a fan of, actually. The rest is awesome. I'm not a fan of Kangaskhan, though. I mean, he can Mega Evolve, but he's not my favorite. The rest, all of them I raised. I raised the Lantern, I raised the Hypno, I raised the Skarmory, Houndoom, and even a Tyranitar. But Kangaskhan, meh. Water Gun, nice. I know nothing. You know nothing. Check out my baby team. Nobody had a Magmar. I was so wrong. Poison Cure Berry. PSN Cure Berry, actually. It cures your PlayStation Network. Spearow! I'm gonna go heal. I love this music. Yeah, okay, V4, go get a copy of this game, and we'll see. And we'll see. Yeah, I love Houndoom as well. I want to see what other Pokemon are here. Ekans! Come on, just buy a cheap second-hand, pre-owned, or a third-hand DS or something, and we can battle. Come on, you got no excuse. Geodude! I'm gonna lick you. Wow, he's strong. No. Uh-oh. Wow, okay. I mean, you can even get a 2DS. They got really cheap now, the 2DS. There we go. 15. Matchup. Does anybody remember once Togepi hatches? Who do I have to show it to so that I can get the experience share? I'm not so sure if it's Mr. Pokemon or Professor Elm. Either way, I'm gonna have to go back. This guy gave me a hard time, huh? Actually, you know what? I should probably start walking back. I need to get the experience share. It's a long walk, but I'm gonna have to do it. Because the egg is about to hatch anyway, so I'll use the last bit of walking to, let's see. Moves around there, must be close to hatching. Alright. Let's just start going. Noctowl is meh. Well, he is meh. I was gonna argue about that, but it's true. I was gonna say Noctowl. Well, I mean, if you raise it well, if you raise Noctowl well, it won't be a meh. But I understand where you're coming from. I should have attacked that Zubat. Get some extra XP. Geo. One of these days I'll do a challenge, a catch 'em all challenge. I'll do that. I'll have like, I'm already thinking, maybe I'll do a layout on the side of the stream where I can check all the Pokemon or something like that. I'll see. Can I even catch them all in Pokemon Silver and Gold? I wonder. What's this girl doing here? Hey girl. Huh, interesting. Because it's Friday. It's Friday. I love my Noctowl. Honestly, one of the main reason why I caught a Noctowl, a Hoot Hoot, is because of nostalgia, really. Because he wasn't my team initially, so I thought I'll go again, you know? He's not that bad. This is just a waste of time. I'm not gonna get XP from this. Eh. I'm just gonna fight him. One last tiny hit. I hate this attack so much. How's the egg doing? Come on, just hatch already. Alright, it's making sounds inside. It's going to hatch soon. Come on. Hey, Houndour! Welcome! I was actually considering a Houndour for this playthrough, but Houndour didn't make the cut. Hold on, I think there's something here. I just remembered. Hold on. No, okay, no. It's blocked. My Miltank would react it in a sec. It's true. It's true. Miltank is a tank as well. I hate Miltank. It won't V4, because I have a strategy against Miltank, so when the time comes against the gym leader, I'm gonna impress you. My strategy. How awesome my strategy is gonna get. You have no idea. It's funny how V4 said, my Miltank would direct your whole team, actually. That's what V4 just said, alright? She looks at my team, she sees a bunch of baby Pokemon, and it's a team of 3, alright? And one of them is Ghost type. What is your Miltank gonna do against my Ghost type? Come on. Roll out, what, against my Ghastly? Come on. Come on. And hello, Min. Hello, welcome to the stream. Come on. You failed, V4. You failed. I have a Ghost type. Your rollout is nothing. That's alright, man, no problem. Miltank with Aeroblast. What? Is there such thing? Are you pulling my leg right now? Are you trolling me? Got a berry. No, wait a sec. I think showing... I forgot. What gives me an XP share? I forgot. I'm sorry to hear, man. Rattata can learn Thunder. Wow, this is all interesting. Hang on, because I think I just made a boo-boo. I think you get experience share not from showing Togepi. I think from showing the golden Gyarados. The red Gyarados, I think. That's what gives you the shard or something. Hold on. Pokédex, item dex. Item dex in... Come on, item dex. Where's the item dex? Hold on, because I think I'm messing things up. I think I went back for nothing. So, XP share. Where can I find the XP share in silver? And somebody replied, the XP share, you must exchange it for the red scale. Yes, the red Gyarados. The red Gyarados, there you go. And Mr. Pokemon's house. So what do you get for Togepi? I forgot. I forgot what you get for Togepi. But I mixed those up. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, man. Oh, I know the feeling. We all know the feeling. So what am I gonna do? I came back here for nothing. My Gyarados can take 3 Thunders, seriously? Well, depends the level. Lapras. Depends who is giving the Thunder, if it's a level 16 Pikachu or a level 60 Pikachu, Toby, okay? I wanna hatch this stupid Togepi and get rid of it. Come on, dang it, hatch. Come on, hatch. Starmie is good. Yeah, Starmie I know that it learns Thunder. I think even in the anime it did it. Alright, oh, while I'm here, actually I'm gonna tell my mom to stop saving money for me, because she's stupid. Hi, welcome home. You're trying very hard, I see. I kept your room tidy. Or is it about your money? Yes, it is about the money. It's always about the money. What do you want to do? Change. Change what? Do you want to say no? Just do what you can. Which Pokemon is... I don't know, actually. I don't know. I level 100 Gyarados. Nice. Hey, human! That's awesome, calling you human. Welcome to the stream. As well, your money... Yes, it's about the money. What do you want to do? Get. How much do you want me to take? All of it, come on. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it there, just thinking. What do you want to do? You can? But how do I stop saving? How do you stop saving? I forgot. I'm gonna take all of it, I don't care. I keep spamming the button. Yes, it's on the 3DS, human, that's right, yeah. Change, what's this? Change. Do you want me to save money? No. Just do what you can. Alright, so I think that's it. I don't think she's saving money anymore. And I'm giving up. I want this Togepi. I'm gonna go away. No, I hate nicknaming Pokemon. No, no, no. It confuses me, not other people. It confuses me. So yeah. I was just watching a tutorial on how to get all 3 starters without trading, without nothing. It was just a little glitch. I was gonna do that, but doesn't feel legit when you do something like that. I don't know. Another berry? Oh. Boo. Well, at least I told my mom to stop saving money for me. So that's something. Yeah, I hate normal type Pokemon. That's my thing, actually. That's why I have a beef against Kangaskhan and everything else. Hey, Kulava's here. Welcome. Yeah, I hate normal type Pokemon. I really tried my best to like them, but... In fact, Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon is all about the Rockruff hype. I'm not into that. I mean, he's rock type, but normal as well. Meh. It's not my thing. Pokemon Pikachu and Raichu. Alright, but I mean, you can tell that they're Pikachu. Sometimes the name is completely different and you can't tell which Pokemon is that. Run. Bellsprout, Neon Bellsprout. I went back for nothing. Nah, I don't want an onyx. Meh. Meh. My team is gonna be awesome. Regardless of what V-Force is. Oopsie. Oh, Hoppip! I love Hoppip! I love Hoppip! But no, I must resist not catching this. I love Hoppip. Hoppip is really strong if you train it well. Yeah, Victory Bell is... I raised a Victory Bell once, yes. I'm a fan of grass type, more than I am of normal types. That's why I went when I saw Hoppip, because I raised Hoppip. And he was... Alright, that's enough. Let's go. Once again, the rule applies. Any shiny that I run into is gonna be automatically added to my team. Even if it's a lousy Pokemon, even if it's a normal type. Can you imagine if the Togepi that hatches is shiny? I will raise it. And the Red Gyarados will be in my team, but not in this game. I'm gonna catch him, and I'm gonna include him in a future team, my next game after this. You never get a shiny, don't worry. What are you talking about? I have caught shinies randomly without even looking for shinies. Sometimes I caught shinies on stream. You don't get the Red Gyarados. What? So, he's like an important part of the game. After this, I'm gonna be playing Omega Ruby or Alpha Sapphire, one of the two. We'll see. You want me to make some Pokeballs? Sorry, but I'll have to wait. Do you know Team Rocket? Ah, don't worry, I'll tell you anyhow. Team Rocket, an evil gang that uses Pokemon for their dirty work. They are supposed to have disbanded 3 years ago. Anyway, they're at the well cutting off Slowpoke tails for sale. No! So I'm going to give them a lesson in pain. Hang on, Slowpoke! Old Kurt is on his way! Grandpa's gone! I'm so lonely! Alright, so... this way. I love this music. And he says he fell. The guards up top took off when I shouted at them, but then I took a tumble down the well. I slammed down hard on my back, so I can't move. Rats! If I were fit, my Pokemon would have punished them! Ah, it can't be helped. Vloggy, show them how gutsy you are in my place. Okay, you got me involved in his fight. I heard this music. Your husband says hi. Hello, Min's husband. I only chain for carbs. And I love that about Toby. That music, that Team Rocket music. Doesn't let you play. Maybe it hasn't been released in your country yet, Alonso? I don't know. No, don't watch the stream and drive, no. I do not recommend that. Although I must admit, I have listened to streams while I was driving. I put a stream on my phone while I'm driving and I'm listening to what's going on. I have done that in the past. This cave music is fantastic. Somebody said something about the cave music. Ah, V4, yeah, it's really good. Look, it's a female Team Rocket! Stop taking tails! Yeah, just try to defeat all of us! I love K-pop actually, yes. I do love K-pop. I really do. It's my guilty pleasure. Come on, one more peck. One more peck. Thank you, Min. But I will not post anything K-pop related on my channel for sure. But thank you. Ekans. Do I know BTS? No, I don't actually know. Come on, I need to turn confusion. Vlogly. I'll look them up afterwards, man. I will look them up afterwards. Bing! I want to check when he learns confusion. Hold on. Because I'm itching for confusion right now. So, H-O-O. There we go. When do you learn confusion, Hoot Hoot? What age? Ouch, level 34. That's gonna be a while. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to wait. Hello, Jacob. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. I'll look them up. I will look them up. Hey, that looks like Cassidy. I think. Yes, that's Cassidy from the anime. Does she say her name? No. Two more rockets. But where's Bob? Where's Bob from Outbreak? Bob. Butch. Ah, you mean Butch, yes. Cassidy and Butch. That's right. They replaced Team Rocket for a while, I think, for like 3 episodes or something. I mean Team Rocket, they were Team Rocket as well. They replaced Jesse and James for like 3 episodes, I think. Let's guess how old you are. I don't know. I mean, there is a picture. I know I can see it. There's an avatar, but I cannot open it right now to look at it properly. I don't know. I would say, I don't know, 25? Exactly. I want to see my fight against Whitney as well, V4. Don't worry. It's still not out for you. Where are you from in the world, Quilava? Oh no? Okay. So you're not technically young, you are young. Not technically young, you are young. I will not get rolled, Toby. Guys, what's wrong with you? V4, Toby, I have a ghost type Pokemon. Rollout is not gonna work against my my Ghastly. Alright, so I can't really see. No, Miltank is not gonna do anything. What you guys talking about? Rollout is a normal type. V4, noob. V4 is noob. It's okay. Just bear with her. She's a noob. Please understand. Okay, Quilava, when you download the game, alright, it will tell you a number of days for release, and it will say 1 or 2 or 3, something like that. I'll give you a hint. I'm not legal yet. Okay. Alright, so you're not your husband then. You threw me off when you said your husband. I assumed you were legal. I'm not legal either as well. I'm not legal. Right, V4. I'm not legal. Oh, this is gonna be a long one, actually. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, GG coughing. Well done. Totodile, you're up. Actually, stupid. What am I doing? I have a mud slap. Don't you get poisoned? Don't you get poisoned? Don't you dare. The scoffing is even bigger than I am. Wow. Ah, you got poison. Nice. Mud slap. Ah, I think he's levitating though. Does it work? Oh, it doesn't make a difference. Alright. You get 2 birthdays? What? What? You get 2 birthdays a year? What? I don't get this. Does the earth spin faster over there? Don't poison, please! Alright, we got him. Okay. Maybe you're doing something wrong, Quilava. Because even if it's not out, you can still pre-order it. And you download it, and it's in your system before you can play it. I downloaded like 8 days before I could play it. It was there, but I couldn't open it. So even though it's not released, you should be able to download it. January 1st for the new year. Does the rest of the world not have that? Yes. Just January 1st, that's the beginning. Yes, so you pre-downloaded it, then when you try to open it, it will tell you connecting to the internet, and then it will tell you how many days left before you can actually open it. Alright, yeah, Team Rocket was broken up 3 years ago, but we continued our activities underground. Now you can have fun watching us stir up trouble. December 24th? Okay. How sad of a birthday. Why is that? Well, birthdays are all sad, really. Let's just face it. Birthdays are all sad. Hello, sir. Hi, Vloggy. You handled yourself like a real hero at the well. I like your style. I would be honored to make balls. Balls. Just call them Pokeballs, man. Make balls for you. You choose a Cyndaquil. Okay. The Cyndaquil's good. I tried all of them. All of the starters. Today I've been thinking what Pokemon I'm gonna choose in Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Which Pokemon am I gonna go for? What? I'm sorry, I was spamming the B button. And make balls out of them. I'll take a day to make you a ball, come back for... Okay. Make me balls, man. Is my Pokemon still hurt? No, they're fine now. I think it's time for another gym battle. Who agrees? It's time for another gym battle, guys. Pokemon. Hootoo's gonna get some serious training in here. Let's go. Is this gonna be a double battle? No way. Double battles don't exist yet in this game, right? Am I wrong or right? Hold on a sec. Double battles? Really? No. I thought it was gonna be a double battle. Why is Spinarak shiny? Come on, don't be selfish. Don't be greedy for presents. No, you didn't waste, then complain with Nintendo, eh? Did you download it? Do you see it on the menu? On your home screen? Ladyba. This is a crappy Pokemon. Yeah, I think it's available for everybody now. According to Twitter, I was checking Twitter earlier, it says it's available globally now. Bye, Caterpie. 15. I'm gonna keep training my Hoothoot. What's the last move Hoothoot learned? Oh, nice, Dream Eater. Hoothoot learns Dream Eater. That is awesome, huh? That is awesome. I love this music, the gym music is fantastic. I only got these. I hate rebuying games. I really hate rebuying games. But this brought something new to the table. This brought the fact that I can transfer them to the Pokemon Bank and eventually even to Pokemon Moon and Sun and Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon. Just that, for me, I'm sold. $9.99. For me, that's worth it. I get 3, experience the game, catch Pokemon from Johto region and transfer them back to the modern games, you know? Catch them in 8-bit and then get to experience them in 3D in the final game. I like that. Other than that, no, I hate rebuying the same game over and over again. I have these games' physical copies. Beidrill. Oh no, it hurts! You should probably take a nap. That's what I do. Bing! Trying to learn hypnosis, thank you. Stupid foresight. Hey, Sarania's here! Welcome! Kakuna? Yeah. Well, I mean, when I'm in a car, it rocks me, so I kind of sleep when I'm in a car because of all the rocking. It's 1 AM over there. It's almost 6 PM here. So ever since I started streaming, I never play a game offline. I always play. If I'm playing a game, I'm streaming it. That's it. I stream anything I play. Sometimes there are times when I cannot stream it, so I don't play it. Sometimes I feel like playing a game, but there's no way of streaming it, so I decide not to play. Hey! Juan Pablo, how are you, man? Nice to see you, buddy. Another one! I'm gonna call you another one from here on. Alright, peck. Last time I had a fever, I live on my own. Last time I had a fever, I didn't have any medication. I had no I didn't even have a thermometer so that I can check my my temperature to see if I really did have a fever, but it felt like I did. Because I live on my own, I had to go walk down to the pharmacy by myself, all fevered up, you know, to buy stuff. Poor vlog, eh? Yeah, chicken soup is good. Maybe after I defeat this gym, I open time capsule and I'll retrieve my Pokemon from Pokemon Red. Red. It's time to battle the gym leader. Watch this V4. Here we go. You don't have chickens in Korea. One. Oh man. I really want them to release Diamond and Pearl on the eShop for the 3DS. That would be awesome. I love hot sauce. Ah, this gym leader has a Scyther actually as well. I just remembered. Or maybe Gen 3, yes. But Gen 3, I don't really care for Gen 3 because we got a remake of Gen 3. So I don't really care about that. You know, we got the remake. It's even better than the original, in my opinion. Oh, look at that. I'll be playing I played Gen 1, Pokemon Red. I'm playing Gen 2 now. I'll be playing Gen 3 next, but I'm gonna be playing the remake. I'm not gonna be playing the original. The remake is much better. They have Mega Evolutions. Alright, I'm gonna switch Pokemon just for fun. And I'm gonna switch to Totodile. Scyther! Isn't that how he goes? Scyther. Water gun. Yes, it is out. I just didn't have the time to pick it up. I need to go get it. Maybe Monday, I don't know. I'm afraid to use Mudslap because he's a... Ooh! I'm gonna try I don't think I'm gonna have time for Mudslap now. Everybody's gonna get some XP from this one. Ghastly! It's a bug type. It's not very effective, you took down half my health? Really? Oh wow, it kicked Ghastly's ass, really. Alright, Hoot, you're up. Kick some butt, man. Look at that! Ooh, come on, man! No, and I'm hurt by poison. Ooh, man! Ooh, I died at this gym. Man, this gym kicked my butt. Man, I didn't make this one. Good thing V4's not here. Wow, look at that. The thing is, I got a bit cocky. I'm gonna be honest, I got a bit cocky. That's why. Look at this. Now I'm gonna defeat the whole team with just my Hoot. Look at this. No, I'm gonna do this. I'm not kidding. I was just trying something really. I was trying to swap around so that everybody gets some XP. No. My Hoot is gonna defeat. Oh, hello. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna kick their butt, all of them, all three of them, with my Hoot now. Watch this. Watch this. It's because I got a bit cocky. I wanted to swap around and try stuff. It's okay. Plus I got poisoned as well. And that wasn't on my side. But this time, watch and learn. So that's one. And, what? He didn't die? Welcome to the stream, Jimin's adorable cheeks. Welcome to the stream. Alright, so that's one. And level 17. He's switching to Scyther right away. Alright, no problem. I'm gonna try Hypnosis actually. Alright, let's go. Hello, Faith! This is my only hope. Alright, we got this. Ah, alright. Yes. Alright, there we go. Scyther is down. Scyther! No, you're not, man. No. You'll get kicked. Yes, that's my little sister. She's using my mom's account one. Yeah. It is. It is. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Kakuna's down. There we go. Boom. Done. Okay. I got poisoned again. I just realized. I had no idea. Whew. It's over. Da, 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 da. Oh, I got the badge. I need to add it to my screen. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So, it's called the Hive badge. So, add image. Sorry, it takes a while to do this, but it's worth it. Hive. Okay. Browse. Hive badge. Okay, there we go. That one. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna put it there. Put it there. There we go. Look how nice. Got the second badge over there. You see how cool? You see how cool, how classy, how stylish I am? TM49. I think it has Fury Cutter, eh? That's stupid though. Yeah, I don't care about Fury Cutter. Oh no, I'm poisoned! I'm gonna die! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Come on, come on, come on, come on. No worries, take your time. Alright, hello, welcome to our Pokemon Center. Heal, 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 heal! Oh yeah, I'm gonna remove Togepi. Okay, Toby, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You are awesome. Take care, buddy. Alright, so, let's PC. Deposit. And buy Togepi. I'm gonna check the time capsule if it's been fixed or not. If it's fixed, we're taking a break from the game. I'm just gonna retrieve my Pokemon from Red. That's what we'll do next. If it's been fixed. I'm so sorry. No. Bye, Faith. Bye! Alright, so we're done here. There's nothing else in here that we can do. So moving on to the next city. You can? That's awesome, Quilava! That's awesome! Oh no! Why did it go dark all of a sudden? Did you see that? Silver showed up and it went dark. And that is so awesome! Because it's 6 o'clock. The way when he showed up, it turned 6 o'clock. And the time changed. That is fantastic. That is such a great effect. What? You beat them? Quit lying. You're not joking? Then let's see how good you are. Ghastly. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to hypnotize you. And I'm going to use my Totodile I don't know if a Mud Slap is gonna... Let's try. Yeah, it works, okay. Ooh, super effective. Ground type. It's gonna be great, Quilava. I'm gonna love it. Do you have Pokemon Bank? I mean, it's not compatible with Pokemon Bank right now. It's gonna be sometime in winter when it's compatible. But hey, once it is, we're gonna have a great time. Alright, 1-2-0. He's gonna switch to Bayleaf. You already evolved into Bayleaf. Yes, and we're gonna switch over to Hoot Hoot once again. That's great. But in winter, it's gonna be compatible with Pokemon Bank. But still, it's fine. No rush. Alright, so level 16, level 18, we can do this. Peck. Always love the animation for Razor Leaf. No, you will get the code, Quilava, because it's in the receipt. You have to look at the receipt. It took me a while to find it yesterday. I managed to find it. There's a code for the receipt, and on the receipt there's a code for Celebi, and there's also the code for the theme. I'm not so sure if it's gonna work with Totodile. I'm gonna try, hold on. That Mud Slap is really good, but I don't know if it's gonna work on Zubat. Let's see. Ah, it didn't work because he's a flying type. That's fine, we'll switch to Water Gun. You have to go to the eShop, and I think under profile or something like that, you need to find your receipts. Or bring up the menu once you're in the store, and one of them says view receipts or activity, something like that, your eShop activity. Then you can get to view all the receipts or something like that. You'll find it. Let me know when you do, just to make sure that you found it. It's a very long code. Oh, I'm confused. Oh no, don't hurt yourself! Come on. You have 6 gyms. This game has 16 gyms that I need to beat. Look at that. Look at that. I only got 2 out of 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I have another 14 gyms that I need to beat in this game. That's gonna be a while. Please, please, please do the attack. Yes. There's a checklist on the left-hand side of all the gyms that I need to beat. I only got 2, look. And Russell was defeated, we're good. I would like to do another gym battle. I'm gonna go heal. My team has already been figured out. I already know what I'm gonna catch next. Yeah, it stands on one leg. It has 2 legs, but it stands on one leg. One of them, he hides it. Yes, that is true. It does have 1 leg. I mean, no, he has 2 legs. One of them, he hides it. He stands on one, though. So, switch. No, but I'm training Totodile next. He needs to be level 18. Cubone. He's not bad, Cubone, but no. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we're in the forest now. Ah, there's the Farfetch puzzle. Oh, I have to catch an Oddish now, so I can do the cut. Let's catch an Oddish. Why not? Hey, V4's back! You missed my glorious victory. Ah, it had to be critical. It had to be critical. Level 15. Okay, we're good. You missed my glorious victory of my second badge. Alright, so, this guy wants me to get his Farfetched. Farfetched? Sancho and Cubone are awesome in the Alolan forms, though, in my opinion. Let's go. You had breakfast? What did you have for breakfast? I'm curious. I'm starting my diet, my low-carb diet, again on Sunday. No, Sunday, shut up. Sunday. Domingo. I'm gonna catch this Oddish. Not because I want to train an Oddish, but I need... because I need to use cut. Wait, I just realized it was Swan that said the comment. I thought it was V4. The Sunday or Sunday. Well, whatever. Domingo. Alright, let's catch the Oddish. Because he's gonna give me cut now, and I need to cut my way. Blah, blah. If exposed to sunlight, it starts to move. It roams far and wide at night to scatter its seeds. Eggs, chorizo, and Coke? Really? Coke for breakfast? No. I mean, I don't mind eggs and chorizo because it's protein. But Coke? Qua! Qua! I can't find the thing. I can... maybe I'll make a tutorial video on how to find it. I should make a tutorial video. Ah, my Farfetch'd. You found it for us, kid. Without it, we wouldn't have been able to cut trees for charcoal. Thanks, kid. Now, how can I thank you? I know. Here, take this. There's already videos though, Kulava. That's how I found it myself. I had to look up on YouTube and I found the video. You can have the gym badge from myself to use it. Okay, so let's do this. So, pack. Can they use an X? I know, right? Alright, so cut, use Greek yogurt and honey oatmeal. Okay. Not bad. Teach cut to a Pokemon? Yes. And Oddish. Ba-ba-ba-bum. And now let's cut. I think there's something here, hold on. I knew it! If I have to drink Coke, I'll make sure it's actually 0. Because it has 0 sugars. Loads of chemicals, but still. I'm not gonna bother going down, I'm just gonna go straight here. Come on, come on, come on. There has to be something in here as well. No? No? And we're... Ooh, almost. I can't wait for ultrasound trauma. Me too. Me too. I'm planning an either 24 or a 12-hour stream. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so... Why is that, Gulava? Mat slap. I see. Yeah, that does make a funny sound. Well, they all do actually. It's 8-bit. It's 8-bit noise. Sanchiro? Dada's here. You're first. Yes, you are. Nice to see you, Dada. Nice. Alright, let's go. Snowball. Nice try, Snubble. Oh, come on! This happens way too often. Speaking of hood rats, I'm good looking. Good to hear, buddy. There should be dittos in here. I should find a ditto. It's the tradition. I always catch a ditto. I just realized Whitney's gym is next. It's gonna happen in this train. And he starts missing with the mud slaps. Oops. Ooh, come on, you got this. Water gun or mud slap? I don't know. Ooh, magnitude! Ooh. Nice. I'm surprised that he has more speed than I do. That Diglett is fast. If he does magnitude, he's gonna ruin my Ghastly as well. But no, he did not. Oh, I tried to sneak past him. He saw me. Aye. If he knows confusion, he's gonna destroy me. I love Psyduck. Psyduck! Cloggy. Ah, he disabled me. Exactly, Quilava, there you go, you got it, I'm happy you did. There should be also the code for the theme as well on the same receipt. I took a picture of it with my phone, that's what I did. Alright, so I'm gonna do nothing, I can't do anything. Maybe I'll just wait till it's undisabled. Yeah, the theme for your 3DS. There's a theme, you can get a theme for the 3DS. Alright, still disabled, my goodness. Dada. Okay, buddy. Come on, stop disabling my attacks. I wanna lick you. Still disabled. There we go. No, if you bought silver, you get the silver team. If you bought gold, you get the gold team. I got the silver team. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, hold on. Well, you can hear it. You can hear it. This is the theme. Yeah, well, basically that's the theme for part of the silver version. Anyway, let's continue playing. Is this Pokemon that has the creepy town and that urban legend? You're talking about Pokemon Red. What's it called, that town? That creepy town, I forgot, my goodness. But no, it's the other game, not this one. Let's go heal up. That's my favorite city in the game. I'm gonna get rid of the other shit once again because I don't need it. Lavender Town, that's the one, cheer. My goodness, it was at the tip of my tongue. And I couldn't think of it. Yeah, that's the one. Welcome to the stream, cheer. Nice to see you, buddy. I had to lurk on your stream, because I was cleaning. And then I was in the bathroom, cleaning the toilet, and I hear you ending the stream. Like, oh, he's finishing the stream, and I didn't GG. I was cleaning the toilet when you... when you finished the game. I can catch a Ditto here. I'm gonna catch a Ditto, actually. Let's catch a Ditto. Why not? No, I don't have that command here. Drowsy. Drowsy. Exactly, Cheer. Come on, we need to catch a Ditto. Come on, let's catch a Ditto. There it is. Beep, 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 boo. So, what if I, can I rage, perhaps? I don't know. Do you do the celebi code or are you gonna wait and it's... No, I got the celebi code already. I claimed it already. Because I'd forget if I don't do it right away. So I claimed it already and I deposited in my Pokemon bank already. Water gun? Mud slap? What am I gonna do? I don't know. Actually, I keep slapping him. That's fine, mud slapping him. Because he's gonna... He won't be able to attack now. With all the mud slaps. Well, every now and then he will. I don't think it would be shiny, no. Alright, so... Pokeball, go! Oh, shoot, it was so close too! Should I dare another mud slap? Should I try? Should I try? I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm not gonna try another attack. That's as good as it gets. Are you kidding me, man? Dude! Are you kidding? What if I use a lure ball now? Because I'm hit by a rod, but I don't know if it counts as a fish water type like that. Let's use the great ball. Great ball, go! Are you kidding me, buddy? Are you really kidding me right now? Dude, I'm gonna try something else. Because this is my last Pokeball, I don't want to use... Well, I mean, I have two more, but... Okay. You're asking for this. It's a shiny Totodile. Nicknamed Ditto. Alright, it doesn't get any better than this to catch a Pokemon. He's on red, he's sleeping, come on. I should be able to catch it now, right? Come on. Great Ball, go. And it's a Great Ball, not a Pokeball, an even better one. Come on. Are you freaking kidding me, dudes? My last Pokeball. Eeeeee! I am so angry right now. I ran out of Pokeballs, so now I'm gonna have my revenge. Bye. That's it. I get some XP. God dang it. I want to catch a Ditto. I used up all my Pokeballs. I need to buy more. Yeah, exactly. That's a Ditto emoji. Exactly. That was my reasoning one. I was like, you know what? I can't catch you, so die, sucker. Na 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 na. I forgot where the store is. Oh, it's a big store. No Pokeballs here? No? Okay. Alright, let's go continue training because there's some other trainers that I haven't defeated yet down there. I thought they give you a Pokemon egg. No, they don't. I thought they give you an egg. Oh, I don't know. Who goes there? What are you up to? Should I attempt another Ditto? Okay, one, no problem. Oh, roar. Nice. Ooh. That's not good. Switching to Totodile again. Trying to learn Curse. No, I'm not gonna learn Curse. There has to be another trainer here that I haven't fought. I think it's her. Drowsy! Drowsy! He still doesn't know bite, so I'm just gonna let it go. Let it go! Hop it! Alright, should I give it a go? I think I can do this. Scratch. Yeah, splash. Starting to think, I don't know that word. Nand to stream? What's that word supposed to be? To stream every single Pokemon game you own? No, but I wanted to do like a run through all the Pokemon games from first generation planned. I'm planning to do a run through all the generations, you know, so I can actually move all the Pokemon from Gen 1 to Gen 2, from Gen 2 to Gen 3, all the way to the most recent game. That's the plan, really. How are you, Jack? Nice to see you, buddy. Scratch. And this is a new release, you know, I play new games. This just came out yesterday, so... But my next stream is not gonna be a Pokemon stream, though. I'll take a break from Pokemon. My next stream, either Marvel vs. Capcom or some Resident Evil, we'll see. Stream the Pokemon photography game. I never played that Pokemon game you're talking about. That's Pokemon Snap. They say it's a good game, actually. He's gonna trash me, I think, huh? Bulbasaur is gonna trash me. Bulbasaur! Ooh! Alright, we're good. He could have trashed me if he wanted, but he was like, I'm gonna let him win. How's Evil Within 2? Is it good? Does it look good? Or is it meh? So far I wasn't impressed. I'm gonna wait for the reviews. Okay, we're all done. We're done down here. They're all gone. Should I attempt on catching another Ditto? Shall we try again? Let's go again. No, I will never stream Pokemon Go. Never. I would have. I could have if I wanted to, but nah. It's not an exciting game. It's not exciting. I know streamers that have, but no. I'm gonna get that Ditto, bro. I'm gonna get that Ditto. Drowsy. Come on, man. That's how he goes. Come on, I need to pee. Ah, oh, stupid Drowsy. Oh, come on. Oh, I can get the bike from here. I just remembered. I can get the bike from here. So in short, they kept about 99% of the previous... That's not interesting. You can never escape my drowsiness. Come on, I want that Ditto. Because I have a plan. I have a plan with Ditto. I always like to mess around with Dittos. Come on. I have to pee, but I'm not gonna pee before I catch a Ditto. Oh yeah, I saw the trailer, yeah. I wasn't impressed. It feels like the horror element is once again gone. I hope I'm wrong. I wish I'm wrong, but I don't know. Cheer. That's actually the second badge. You're looking at the Ladybird one, yeah? I'm still excited because I want to know what happens next. So I will be getting it and I will be streaming it and everything. I'm excited. But as far as Resident Evil goes, horror's gone again. The one next to Brock? The one next to Brock doesn't look like a mouse. Mouse button. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't know. Yeah, and when I saw it, I was like, look at those creatures. The very creatures that I was terrified just seeing them. Alright, now we're punching them in the face. Like, what? Where's the horror in that now? Those creatures terrified me. Just seeing one appear around the corner. You know, I used to crap my pants seeing those creatures. Now, you just walk up to them and punch them in the face. It's ridiculing them now. You know what I mean? I'm starting to think there's not gonna be a Ditto here. There was only the one. Ah, now I see what you mean, Chair. Okay, I see it now. Now I see it. Yes. I'm starting to lose my patience. Oh, it's an Abra. Ah, can't escape, but he's gonna teleport. I always thought that was funny. He's like, no, you can't escape, but let me show you how I teleport. Oh, another one. I don't think this is happening. Should I give up? Another one! not gonna find it. I think I'm gonna give up. Never give up and surrender. Okay. If you say so, I'll keep going. I need to pee. So many drowsies! Was it just a lucky break that I found a Ditto earlier? I'm starting to wonder. Oh. Unless you have to pee. Come on, man. Alright, 3 more. And then I pee. 3 more. That's 1. That's 2. You need 2 copies of the game and 2 DSs to trade with yourself. Alright, that's 3. I'm gonna go pee. I'll try again when I'm back from the peeing. I'll be right back. Enjoy the 8-bit music in the meantime. Streamers do pee fast. Alright, let's go again. You know what I was thinking? Maybe I'll just get the bike first and then I'll come back. Because this is not gonna work. I'm gonna go get the bike. Man, I found that the word, it just wouldn't get caught. It wouldn't accept getting caught. Ah, bruh. I want Ditto because I want to experiment stuff with breathing. You know what I'm gonna do actually? Hold on, I have an idea. Because if I do run into Abra, I want him to transform into Hoot Hoot. Maybe Hoot Hoot is easier to catch, I don't know. I don't know how it works. I'm gonna quickly check what are the probabilities of catching a Ditto, because this is getting ridiculous now. Alright, so it doesn't say really. Oh yes, there's details here. Details. Silver. Let me see what it says. Alright, so Route 34. Walking grass, morning, night. Rarity is 4%. It's 5%. Method walking grass, Pokemon Crystal, Pokemon Silver. Alright, so Route 34 gives me a 5% chance. %5 chance, wow. Am I on Route 34 or 35? Route 34 gives me 5%. This is the 5%. This is where I should be giving the higher probability of 5% instead of 4%. Wow, that's ridiculous. Yeah, because Route 35 is 4% and Route 34 is 5%. Come on, man. It doesn't make a difference which grass really, I think. No, I don't think it makes it. I used to think that. Out of 100 encounters, 5 will be Ditto. I'm willing to do 100 encounters, I don't care. Oh man, no, I don't want the stream to be about Ditto, I really want... This is just a side mission that I wanted to do, just... I like to experiment with breeding. No? Ah! I think I've seen more than 20 Pokemon though. And I still haven't encountered the Ditto. Come on, man! Eel, I hate these drowsies! Okay, that's it. 3 more Pokemon and I give up. Because I'm getting bored. Alright. It's not gonna work. Exactly one. Exactly. I'm tired. That's it. Enough. It's not even that important. It's not like I want... It's not like I want him to be in my team or anything. This is just... I was gonna try something. An experiment. It was a waste of time. It was a real waste of time, huh? Now, where do I get the bike? There has to be a bike shop here somewhere. Is it this one? There we go. My bicycles are first rate. You can ride them anywhere. He just said that, yeah? Okay, okay, so let's test it out. This isn't time to use that. Ah! I got you, man. Let me go try again, because I really want. I want to do this. Come on. I've been complaining that it's a waste of time and I'm gonna do it more. I don't care. There it is! Oh, there it is! Ah! And now it's a hoot hoot. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna growl at him right now. Growl. Groo groo! Ditto's gonna transform. And now he's a hoot hoot. Now, peck. Don't you dare die. Don't you dare die. I'm gonna show you who's boss right now. With my Ultra Ball. Go Ultra Ball! You see, that was the strategy. Turn him into a Pokemon that's hard, that's easy to catch. That's why I switched to Hoot in the first place. Alright, he's there. Blah, blah. Ditto, the transform Pokemon. Its transformation ability is perfect. However, if made to laugh, it can't maintain its disguise. Alright, let's go. Ditto's unknown. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something real quick. See you later, Totodile. There they are. Okay, Juan, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. Back already? Your Ditto needs a little more time with us. If you want your Pokemon back, it will... No, it's okay. It shows interest in Totodile. Yeah, baby. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Alright, let's go. Now, if I do this and this, if I remember correctly, no, still nothing here. Yeah, you'll pay to get your Pokemon back, because they will raise them levels as well. Which is fine. He should be standing outside. But I don't know how that's gonna work. Oh man, this guy in the middle. I want to try something here. There's a lottery or something here, but it's very hard to win this lottery or whatever. Hi, are you here for the lucky number show? Look at this. Want me to check your ID number of your Pokemon? Yeah, sure. If you get lucky, win prize. Let's see if you have a match. Very unlikely. None of your ID numbers match. It's very unlikely. We have a special quiz campaign on right now. Now we'll answer 5 questions correctly to win a radio card. Slide into your Pokégear and play radio anytime, anywhere. Would you like to take the quiz? Yes. Question number 1. Can the town map be displayed on a Pokégear? Yes. Bing bong. Correct. Question number 2. Can the arena be female only? Yes. Bullseye. Question number 3. Does Kurt, the Pokeball craftsman, use Apricorn? Yes. What does he use then? Apricorn? So it's not Apricorns? What is it that he uses then? Magikarp won't learn any TM move, yes? Well, right again, here's the final question. Prof Oak Pokemon Talk is a very popular program. Is Mary the co-host? Yes. It's not? Oh man. That wasn't a very long nap, man. Oh, come on, man. I think the game has questions incorrectly though. So that's 1. That's 2. No. This I don't get. Prof Oak's Pokemon Talk is a very popular program. Is Marie the co-host of the show? I said yes, and it was incorrect, so I'm gonna go for no. Oh, that's so stupid. Bingo, you got it. Congratulations. That's good to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Alright, let's go. Please tune into our radio. Okay, let me take a look. Hold on. Is this Marie? I'm not allowed inside. Come on, man. Let me in. Hey, big boss! I did start silver, yes. And so far I have 3 Pokemon. Alright, so let me see if I got my egg. Still nothing? Okay. He's gonna miss on some training Totodile, but he might go a level up on his own. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Alright, so, gym leader, or shall we train a little bit more here, over here, Pokemon? Hoot Hoot Ghastly. Let me see what Ghastly learns. Maybe. Level 21, he learns Nightshade. So, Pokemon 21. Let's keep training my Ghastly for now. Alright. Let's keep training. I'm starting to get hungry as well. Vulpix! I missed my Totodile, huh? Oh, come on, seriously? Ah! All right. I'm gonna go heal. Still nothing. There he is. Alright, there he is. Alright, I got me an egg. I'll get 3 eggs and I'll be happy. Just 3 eggs. If I can get 3 eggs, I'll be happy. Even just 2, actually. Just 2 eggs, I'll be happy. With 2 eggs. That stupid defense curl. Ouch. It's gonna take a while. This battle is gonna take... You know when it's gonna take a while. You see? It's gonna start happening. I'm gonna miss tons of attacks, and the ones that actually hit... Ooh, I got a crit. Never mind. Okay. Oh man. Uh-oh. Ah, this is not good. This is not good. Oh, come on, really? You woke up already? Oh, come on, man. Ah. Oh. There's nothing I can do. I cannot attack. Actually. Rollout works against... What? Oh my goodness, that's not good. Rollout works against... That's stupid. Even Lick works. Isn't he a normal type? Isn't Rollout a normal type? This is not weird. This is not right. This is weird. Man. I hate this. I'm worried about the fact that Rollout can affect my ghost. That's not good. Eee. The TMs run out after I use it once. That's not good. I didn't know that. You see, rollout, as far as I know, rollout is a normal type move, no? How does it affect the ghost type? That's not good. That is not good. Bike shop. That is so not good. I need one more egg from the daycare man, and I'll retrieve back my Totodile because I'm gonna need my Totodile for the gym leader. My strategy is definitely not gonna work, but anyway. My boyfriend's weak, so I can't rely on him. Pikachu! Come on. I'm gonna check Miltank's moves real quick, because I was pretty sure that's a normal type move rollout. What the heck, man? H-I-J-K-L-M, Miltank. M-I-L-T. There we go. Rollouts. Ah, it's a rock typo. It's a rock type move. It's a rock type move. That's why. That's why. It's not a normal type move. That's a big ouch. I'm gonna go retrieve my Totodile. I'm gonna need my Totodile trained. Yeah. Hey, Josh Mo, welcome! I just had a nasty surprise. I was thinking I have a Ghastly. Miltank is not gonna affect me, her rollout. But whoops! It turns out that rollout is a rock type move, not a normal type move, so it might still trash me. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna get my Totodile back. No. Are we geniuses or what? Alright. I'm gonna defeat one final gym leader and then I'm gonna call it. I have an idea how I'm gonna defeat Miltank. I have an idea. Nah, Diglett can't fly now. Water gun. Maybe they were kidding, I don't know, maybe it's a glitch, maybe it's a hack, but no, legit they can't learn fly, no. So my plan is I'm gonna train Totodile as strong as I can. If he's level 25, by the time I reach Miltank, I'm gonna be happy. Because then I have a strategy. In fact, I think I should switch. Actually, not now. Magmar! Okay. Mud slap. No, yes, mud slap actually, yes. Let's keep going. We'll see. Please don't poison me. Another Magmar, okay, let's keep going. I have 15 HP though. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. He's faster than me. Oops, 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 oops. Ah! Ah. I'm gonna go heal and come back. I hate sleep. I hate the sleep status. Ugh. Behold my graceful ball dexterity. Oh, he's got like 5 Voltorbs or something, yes. Lick. Exactly, that's part of the strategy. Come on, can we get to level 18 thanks to this juggler? Ooh. Nice. All right. That took a while, but that was some serious training. All right. The policemen attack you only at night. Come on, we need to train that Totodile. Uh-oh. I hate how often this happens. Looks like everybody's getting XP now. Ah. Ouch. Whew, okay, that's over. Oh, that's gonna take forever. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. Is this guy gonna attack? Yes, he is. Come on, I'm tired fighting trainers now. It's not gonna work. Let's go with Totodile. I'm gonna check when he learns Bite. When my Totodile learns Bite. ST TOT. Level 20. Oh, there we go, now. Nice. Instead of rage. Come on, come on, come on. I need you to flinch. Come on, flinch for me. No, no flinch. Okay, rip. Ooh, nice. That's a tough Pokemon. As if. You're a long way from evolving, Totodile. 52. I shall evolve you at level 52. TM4. What does it consist? Roll out. Okay, we're good. Let's get out of here and let's head to the gym. What about tomorrow? What stream tomorrow? Alright, it's time. No, but not tomorrow. No, but that's not tomorrow, no. Did I say tomorrow? No, it's not tomorrow. No, that's not tomorrow. I can't place. I'm working tomorrow. No, I said in a weekend. We'll play it during a weekend, but it's not this weekend. No, I can't. Not this weekend. Some weekend, but not this weekend for sure. I don't have. All right, let's go. So the trick is I'm going to train my Totodile. Hold on. What about the egg? Still needs time. Okay. Totodile, you're going to be my tank. What the heck? Here we go. I need to train Totodile as much as I can with these trainers right now. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be a weekend, but no, definitely not tomorrow or Sunday, no. Alright. Bite, 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 bite! I wish to have Totodile level 25 by the time I get to the gym leader. I don't know if it's gonna be a possibility, but we'll try. And I'm only gonna do one attempt against the gym leader. That's my decision. I'm going to attempt the gym leader just once. Whether I win or not, I'm going to end this stream. So that's gonna be it. Yes, cheer. Alright, more bite, come on. There's Whitney. She's waiting for me. Come on, I don't want to fail this. If I defeat Whitney, I end the stream. If she defeats me, I end the stream. Meow, that's right. At least I have a good move now. I have bite. With the gym and the vegetable store. I know, right? Come on, we got this. Flinched. I bit him so many times. He didn't flinch, but he bites me once. $21. I don't think it's gonna be 25 by the time I reach the gym leader, but it's okay. The best I can. Ah, that slash. He never flinches when I bite. But when he bites, I flinch. Ah, man. Hoot got the XP this time. That's fine. Let's go heal and come back. Whatever. There's a couple of more trainers. We're gonna be okay. Another biter. The scary face is a laser. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's just one trainer left, actually. Whew. So much for reaching 25 before beating the gym leader. Alright, we'll see. Just 3 Pokemon, come on. Jigglypuff! Sounds yummy, Big Boss. It sounds yummy. Alright, let's keep going. This is gonna be intense. You're just in time for the epic battle between me and Whitney. Oh, nice. Critical. Come on, level 22 at least. Another Jigglypuff. Your Jigglypuffs. Alright, let's see if my strategy is gonna work. I don't know. I might be under level to pull off this strategy, but we'll see. I'm gonna try my best. Come on, I want to be 22 at least. Come on. Come on, level 22. Ah, so close. No, I'm gonna go train outside to at least reach level 22 before I beat Whitney. That's what I'm gonna do. It's only a teeny tiny amount. I can do that. Just one level, just the teeny tiny battle. One battle. There we go. The stupid drowsy. Drowsy. There we go. He tried to make this battle really long, huh? Alright. Level 22. Yes, exactly. Drowsy evolves into Hypno. Alright, I'm gonna go heal, and let's see. This is it. I wonder if we're gonna do this. Come on. Hello, Whitney. I'm here to challenge you. Hi, I'm Whitney. Everyone was into Pokemon, so I got into it too. Oh, so you're a sheep. Pokemon are super cute. You want to battle me? I'm warning you, I'm good. Here we go. She has to. Really? Wow. Wow. I can't land the hypnosis. Alright, I'm gonna start my strategy. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, accuracy fell. Accuracy fell ×2. Rollout missed. Mud slap ×3. Accuracy fell once again. More mud slap. It's working! It's working! Accuracy fell ×4. Accuracy fell ×5. Accuracy fell ×6. I think we're good to start using the bite attack now. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Now he can start flinching as well if he wants. There we go. I didn't think it was gonna work, to be honest with you. I thought it was too under-leveled. Uh-oh. That's okay. I'm not worried, actually. I'm not really worried. Ooh, I flinched! I flinched! Seriously, I've been biting him like crazy. Come on! That's not good. It's okay. It's okay. I still have another strategy. I still have another strategy. Oh, so close, come on. Really? Come on. That's so cheap. Oh. That is cheap. Actually, I'm doing better than I did with the Elite Four now, I feel. This is actually a better strategy. This is all planned out. Elite Four, yesterday I had no idea how I defeated the Elite Four. I have no idea how I did that. But this is all strategy right here. Yes, it is. It's called a tank. it's a tank Pokemon. Alright, I think it's gonna wake up now, so I'm gonna Hypnosis again. There we go. Maybe Tackle works better, I don't know. No, that doesn't make a difference, really. Oh, come on! Oh, this is insane! This is not gonna work. Uh-oh. Oh, and you flinch, of course. Nice. Nice. Okay, I think we have a chance now. I think we got a shot. I think we're getting close. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, don't you get up! Oh, I did it. GG, I did it. Whew. Wow. I did it. Nice. That was a tough fight, it was. But it was all strategy. It was all strategy. You know? I'm gonna use my my Wesker emoji. GG. Alright, so yes, I did. It was a very intense battle, but I did it with strategy. Playing badge, here we go. Let me just add it to my there we go. Let's make a nice fit. There we go. There we go. That's nice. I think the first guy that teaches you how to catch Pokemon gives you like 5 or something. Or no, Professor Aid. When you're heading out, he will stop you and he'll give you 5 Pokeballs, I think. Alright, we're done. I'm gonna go heal. And I'm gonna call it. That was a fun stream. That was fun. I didn't catch a new Pokemon, sadly, for my team. That's gonna be next time. Well, next stream is not gonna be Pokemon though. I'm gonna play something else. We'll see what it is. Oh, I still haven't finished Tomb Raider. Maybe Tomb Raider? I don't know. And I'm gonna save. Well, yeah, I did catch, but the emoji. Alright, yeah, I did catch that one, but that doesn't count. It's not part of the team. I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for everyone that hung out with me. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Ditto's just to breed, that's all. That's why I caught a Ditto. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You guys are awesome. I'll see you next time. Ciao.